Prove that cot cube theta into sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus tan cube theta into cos cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus secant theta. LHS is equal to cot cube theta into sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus tan cube theta into cos cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to, here cot cube theta is equal to cos cube theta by sin cube theta into sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus tan cube theta is equal to sin cube theta by cos cube theta into cos cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to sin cube theta cancel. That is cos cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos cube theta cancel. Sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to cos cube theta plus sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to, here cos cube theta plus sin cube theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta cancel. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta is equal to, divide each term by cos theta sin theta, that is 1 by cos theta sin theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta minus cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta equal to 1 divided by cos theta by cos theta sin theta, that is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is cosecant theta plus sin theta by cos theta sin theta, that is equal to 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved.